How to fix UEFI firmware setting missing on Windows 10 or 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to resolve the issue of UEFI firmware setting being absent from your system on Windows 10 or 11. Have you ever encountered the frustrating problem of UEFI firmware setting not being found on your system? If so, I'm here to assist you. First of all, we need to run cmd as an administrator. To do this, type cmd in the search bar and simply run it as an administrator. Next, we'll input the G conversion code in the command prompt and press enter. Then we'll exit and restart the PC by simply closing this window and proceed to restart the PC. From here, finally we will change the BIOS mode UEFI by accessing the BIOS settings after the PC restarts, locating the boot mode and changing the BIOS mode from legacy to UEFI. And also remember to save your changes. I won't be converting my BIOS because I'm already in UEFI mode. By following the steps, you can successfully resolve the issue of UEFI firmware settings being missing on your Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.